The list has been updated, so it's finally time for Tech Bag version 2.0. So let's get started. Guys, I'm Balindu from C2No Tech, and today I'll be showing you what's in our Tech Bag version 2.0. You guys gave us immense love and affection on our version 1.0, what's in our Tech Bag. So we said that we should make the version 2.0. So let's get started. So starting with this, the laptop or the MacBook Air 2015/16. Tell you how nice this laptop is. It has a great display. It has a 1.6 GHz processor. It's a Core i5 from Intel. The processor turbo boosts up to 2.7 GHz. It has 8 GB of DDR3 RAM. I know DDR4 is common, but this is clocked at around 1600 MHz. It has an Intel HD 6000 graphics. It's fairly not for gaming, but it can handle some basic games such as Rocket League on some good 30-35 odd FPS. Not that great, but this isn't for gaming itself. We edit our videos on it and without any lags on raw 4K. So let's get into the mouse itself. This is the Logitech M280 mouse. Costs for about rupees 1000 or $15. This is one of the greatest mouse because this isn't a very expensive mouse. This ain't a very cheap mouse. This is the mediocre ones, but performs great for video editing. The comfort is it is very comfortable. It is tactile. It's pretty light in weight, and the clicks also feel satisfying. Now coming to the power bank. This is a 10400 mAh Chroma power bank, which costs for about 2000 rupees or $30 or something, 30 US dollars. This power bank has two USB ports and has this LED indication. It's a great power bank, great speeds, and might be one of the best for the price. Now coming to the band I wear, actually not in my tech bag, but usually I wear this band. This is the MI Band 2. This costs for about 2000 rupees, same about $30, 30 US dollars. Available on Amazon for about the same price and also on mi.com itself. Links to all these products will be as usual in the description. This band is the best fitness band for the price. You might find some inappropriate bands for the price, but this one is good, and heart rate sensors and stuff. It's nice, and it has some good other features as well. It runs via the Mi Fit app, which you can download via Play Store and also via App Store. Now coming to the camera. This is the action camera. This is the GoPro Hero 4 Session. Also costs for about 20,000 in India, 24,000, and $350 in US. But the price in US is about $200 because GoPros are manufactured in USA. That's why they are not that expensive in US. This camera is very light and weight, portable as usual. It is the smallest GoPro. Now we have also seen the successor Hero 5 Session. Because of its success, this camera has this itself is waterproof. That's why it's great for some water sports in itself without any casings. It starts recorded immediately via this. It records at 1440p at 30 fps, 1080p at 60 fps, and you get the option of 100 fps at 720p. Pretty great camera. Now coming to the portable speaker that we use, that's the JBL. I know the better sound quality Logitech X50 offers, but this one has a mic in itself over here, the mic, so you can answer calls while listening to music and without any hung up. So it's a good speaker. They hardly have any difference, only the difference is this mic, but the sound quality is better in Logitech X50. If you do not want the mic, then buy any day the Logitech X50 or the Logitech X100. Now the last thing, the headphones that we use for editing and even listening to music. These are the Bose QC50. I know these are discontinued right now because of the launch of QC25s and even QC35s, but these headphones are fairly well built for the price. They cost for about same 18,000 or 15,300 or $200. Great for the price, precise in video editing and stuff. Runs via an AAA battery installed over here, and wired. Great pair of wired headphones for editing and even to listening of music. They have some great noise cancelling and some ultimate comfort. So links to buy all these things would be as usual in the description. And the main thing that we pack up all this stuff is in the bag which I'm showing you guys. I know the name might sound funny, but this is the Chumbak Daru backpack. This name sounds pretty much funny, but it's a great backpack for the price. This costs for about 1500 Indian rupees and available on chumbak.com. So we will give links both to Amazon. At current, Amazon does not have the same print in it, but you can get it for about 1200 with a different print on it. So that's it for the video, guys. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Stay geeky and peace.